Hello, Mac friends and Apple Vision Pro friends. My name is Brent, and I'm coming to you from my Apple Vision Pro as a persona. Hopefully, you're familiar with personas, and my objective that I wanted to do is I wanted to see, can I do a screen share on my Mac using a persona instead of my webcam feed? And I was able to successfully do that. And I hope to show you how I did that in this video. So let's get started. There's a few apps that I had to string together. And the first one you will need to use is Persona Webcam. That is a virtual camera. And you need two parts to it. You need an app on your Mac and an app on your Vision Pro. So first, let's go to the app on the Vision Pro. I'll scroll back here, and you have the Persona launched here. It's running, and it's a camera that is recording my Persona and sending it to the Mac. When you install it, it gives you a demo of a couple minutes where you can select your Mac and start recording, and then it times out. And if you pay about $5 US, you can then continue using it. So quite reasonably priced. And so we put that in the background. It's recording, and I have downloaded Persona Webcam from the App Store, and you can see it's in my applications folder. I launch it, and it's showing me here my Persona, where I've set the moon as my default background. This can then be used in any app as a virtual webcam. So if you want to use this for video conferencing from your Mac, maybe it's not so easy for some reason to do the video conferencing from your Vision Pro. I can open up FaceTime, and I have on my Mac my Persona being put into FaceTime because there is a Persona webcam that I've chosen here. So it's quite a cool feat of engineering here. Hopefully there's not too much delay, but we'll see with this video probably actually. Then, the next step was to take that video feed and bring it into a place that I can put it on the screen that is a circle, kind of like what I wanted to see. Okay, FaceTime has a way you can share the screen, and it makes a little circle of your webcam video, and I wanted to do the same thing. So what I did was I found this app called DispLayover, and this app you can find in the Mac App Store for 99 cents. It is also available on GitHub if you want to compile and run it yourself, but great to support the developers if you can. And so what I did here is I will go down, and you can see the app running here, taking the video feed from Persona, and now I can show you that it has some functions to vary the cutout that you'd want, and each of these cutouts can have some motion. So when I click play, you'll see the circle throbs, the octagon and pentagon will rotate, the heart will throb. All those kind of things have these special effects. It was quite unique to this app. You can flip the video, and I can hit stop so we have it still for the rest of this video. So now, once you've got that all set up, you can start to record, and hopefully you can do that in the QuickTime Player. I'm still trying to figure this out. Oh yeah, so I have a new screen recording option here, and it is gonna work probably. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so I think I can even record the entire screen. So let's click record and see what happens. So I'm recording the screen while I'm recording the screen, so it's kind of a Inception-like. Not sure how this thing's going to react. Hopefully it didn't cancel my Vision Pro recording. Anyway, this looks like a great way that you can try to get a recording of with your Persona, and you can see. Let's see if we can play this back. Ah, yes, we got the video and stuff and the audio, and so I've been able to reach my goal. If you have any questions on how I put this together, please write in the YouTube comments, please, and then I'll be happy to respond. Been playing around with this stuff. I think this can be great if I'm on the road and want to do a screen recording and upload it to YouTube, or just do something very quick. I don't have time to get myself ready or clean up my room. Those kind of things. This can be very useful as well. Okay, thanks a lot, Mac friends and Apple Vision Pro friends. See you next time.